Welcome back everybody to a brand new video. Today we're going to be reacting to Idiots in Cars compilation. It's going to be hilarious and destructive. Alright. These always get me because you don't know what's about to happen. You don't know if it's going to be a car crashing into somebody. It's kind of awkward, ain't it? But you never know what's going to happen though. I don't know why that person's like doing that. God damn. God damn. Go kick his ass. Go kick his ass. Alright. Oh.
I got you on camera.
Alright, look at this weirdo on a
Yeah, you better not leave a shitty diaper.
Oh no. Oh god.
Better clean it up. That's what I thought.
They're drunk as a skunk though. All those people are drunk in that car.
Look at him.
Look. What an asshole. I would have honked at him. Even though it's at night, I'm still would have fucking hold on to that horn for dear life.
Oh my god.
Hey, honk at him. There you go. Hold on that horn. Fuck him. Piece of shit. Add to it. Let me see. I'm so evil. Let me stop. Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm fine.
We're good? We're good.
Do that faster, right? Not so.
Alright. We're good. This seemed kind of deep. Oh, fuck. God damn. The Dodge Charger's gone, bro. That's it. Oh shit. The fucking... The tow truck stealing people cars and I guess everybody's honking at him to pretty much tell him to hook up his shit properly. Oh, what are you doing? Alright, okay. What a dumb cunt. He had his blinker on. You left him a gap and you want to close the gap like an asshole. Fuck him. Alright, inside view and hold on. Just wait a minute. Let's go back. First of all, if a the reason I'm laughing, alright? The reason I'm laughing is because I'm looking at the guy's face. He is unfazed by this shit. He doesn't give any fucks. He's unfazed. So let's watch his face again. Yeah, he's totally unfazed. Yeah, that's great.
My fucking... Oh my god.
Oh. My neck. Oh, that car turned right in front of the fucking fire truck, and the fire truck still hit him. He still hit him, but he was trying to avoid him. Look at those gas prices. So cheap. So cheap. What a dumbass. Oh my god! God damn! Bro, please, man. Don't do that.
Fucking hell!
Fucking hell! I guess. I don't know. Holy shit, we're on the wrong side of the road. Oh no. Oh my. Holy shit. Holy shit. That was just fucking insane, actually. Holy shit.
Bro, traction. Oh.
Holy shit. Okay. Alright. Apparently we're in the John Wick movies, so you need to relax with that. Oh no. Oh no, they're gonna back up and hit my car. That's it. That's it. No! You're a alright. Holy. Okay. Alright. Okay. Bye-bye. Fucking assholes. Laughing at him, bro. You can't laugh at him.
Stop, no! Oh!
Damn. fucking cunt.
I did
It's an
what I
old
could.
ass. He said I did what I could. That's all I could have done. That's it. Okay, yeah. The best thing you could do is stop. What are you doing? You're a dumbass. And they hit the car behind him. What is happening with these people? We're just chill out. That needs that needs the, you know, the things that goes up and down. It needs that. What are you doing? Where are they turning to? Is there a way to turn there? I guess there is. Is there a way to turn? That doesn't look right. Oh, it does. Okay. That doesn't. What's... Hello? Am I on the wrong side of the road? What's going on? Holy shit. Okay, it's... Oh my god, he's dead. I'm dead. We're dead. We're all dead. That doesn't look road legal or safe. How do you even drive with that? It drives? Oh my god, it drives. Look, we're in the garage. Oh my god. That. Holy fuck, there's a fire. Holy shit. Wow. That's not the safest thing to do. That's really not. Can we get out? Can we get out the train tracks? Can we get out the train? Please. Please get out the train. Get off. Yep. Fuck the bike. Please. It's the only way home. Oh, fuck it. Damn. Damn. Jesus, lady. Jesus. Holy shit. Holy shit. He's like, bitch, move. The bike. I'm worried about the bike. Is the bike okay? That's the thing. Look, calm. Oh, no. Oh, no. We're good? Look, nothing bad happened. Everything's good. What's the issue? Alright, see? Let's get that. Psychos, man. It's a Florida plate? I swear to God, there was a Florida license plate right there. There was a Florida license plate. I seen it. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And I see you guys in the next one.